In America in 2021, we see about as much gender equality as there's ever been. But this has not always been the case. Flashback to SAT Test 3, Section 2, Number 20, which talks about the Harvey Girls, which were groundbreaking in finding gender equality. Number 20 reads, which choice most logically follows the previous sentence? If we look at the previous sentence, it says, in return for the server's work, the position paid quite well for the time. $17.50 a month plus tips, meals, room and board, laundry service, and travel expenses. What's going to best follow that? Answer choice A, the growth of Harvey's business coincided with the expansion of the Santa Fe Railway, which served large sections of the American West. This is focused on Harvey's business, whereas the previous sentence is focusing specifically on the compensation for the Harvey Girls. Answer is B. Harvey would end up opening dozens of restaurants and dining cars plus 15 hotels over his lucrative career. Again, the focus is on Harvey and not the girls who worked for him. Answer choice C. These benefits, whenever you see this or that or these or those, it's telling you what you could expect before it. So when you see these benefits, you look at the previous sentence and say, hey, is it talking about benefits? And sure enough it is. It's pay, tips, meals, room, board, laundry service, travel expenses. They enabled the Harvey Girls, and yes, the previous sentence is talking about the Harvey Girls, to save money. It's talking about how much they're paid, $17.50 a month, and build new and exciting lives for themselves in the so-called Wild West. Looks like a good answer choice. Looking at answer choice D, the compensation was considered excellent at the time, though it may not seem like much by today's standards. This is an attractive wrong answer. Why? Because it's talking about the compensation, and as any person would read, they'd say $17.50 a month. It sounds like it's crap, but it's quite good for the time, as the sentence already says. And this is talking about, it may not seem like much by today's standards. If you're ever unsure with a question like this, read the transition before and after. After, it says, for as long as Harvey houses served rail customers through the mid-20th century, blah, 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 blah. So notice, the sentence before is in the past, the sentence after is in the past. It talking about today's standards is not relevant to the sentence fitting within those two sentences. So the correct answer here is C. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty saying, hey, should this sentence go here, should it not? If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.